Alright y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be Boxycharm unboxing, and it's the July box. And I've already got foundation, concealer, powder, and my eyebrows. I didn't put anything else on because in the sneak peek of these boxes, I'm either going to get an eyeshadow palette or a skin mist, so I didn't. Okay, let's see. So here's the little insert, Boxycharm. Let's see what this month's theme is. And it's July box road tripping. As you can see, this is what it looks like on the inside. And I did get the skin mist instead of the eyeshadow palette. So since that's the biggest thing in there, I'll go ahead and take that out. And it is Tarte Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. So I'm excited to try that out because I loved. Damn, son, I got the tape on it. Okay, so I pulled the little card off of it, and it says that it can be used as it can be used in your skincare or your makeup routine as a perfect prepped, refresh, or finishing spray. So I'll probably use it as a finishing. So I'll try that in a few minutes. It is this taupe eyebrow cream. One end is a little angled brush, and this actually has the product in it. I've already done my brows, but let's try this out. Let's see, next in the box, it's no more needles, no more baggage. ID puffing gel from Dr. Brandt, which this is a pretty pricey brand, but the products are really good. Then I've got Wander Beauty Volume Curl and Mascara. Oh, I thought that was like a lip cream or something, but this is a mascara. Let's see, the last thing in the box is from Note. So this is a blush in Desert Rose. I have never heard of this company before, so that's what the package looks like. Sleek and black. Oh, that's a beautiful color. Let's see. Ooh, it's like a nice peach coral color. Yeah, that's pretty. As y'all know, I use an eyeshadow normally to do my brows, because I did have Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer, and I like it. I just haven't repurchased it yet. Okay, so I can't try the Dr. Brandt because I already have makeup on. But I will try this and let you guys know what I think about it. I guess, let's see. Let's try the blush next. Okay, so I'm just taking a little bit of this blush here. I don't know how pigmented it is, so it goes on pretty nice though. Okay, so I really like how that blush looks. It went on pretty smooth and not splotchy. I got a little excited with this side. It's alright. Plus I'm wearing a really bright orange shirt, so maybe that's making it pop even more. I'm going to put some eyeshadow, and I have some Makeup Geek shadows in here, and I'm going to just lay down a couple of shades. The first one I'm going to use is called Peach Smoothie, just as a good basic color. Of course, I start out in the crease. This is a fairly light shade, so you don't have to be very precise with it. Makeup Geek has really wonderful shadows, and they're not expensive. They're easy to work with and blend. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to go into this color here, which is, these are all magnetized, so I bought this Z palette, which is really dirty. This is Cocoa Bear, one of her Okay, so I'm only going to use those two shadows because I really want to see how this mascara works. And again, this is from Wander Beauty. It's got the logo there. I've never heard of them, so let's try it out. Take this, see what the brush looks like. Okay. It's curved. Okay. My eyelashes look okay. They look better off camera. The lighting in here is kind of messed up because it's raining outside, so it's kind of... And I don't have a ring light. So, alright, so I've got mascara on. I'm going to go ahead and put some color on my bottom lashes, and then before I put mascara. So I'm going to just take, let's see. I'm going to take this small Morphe brush. It's E36. It's just a little smaller blending brush. And I'm going to go in with the Cocoa Bear color again. I'm just going to dot it. Just dot it. Tap it off. Just put just a little color. I'm not going to go all the way over to the inner corner. I'm going to stop about midway and just blend it. Because I don't want my eyes to look squinty. I want them to be open. And if you put a dark color all the way across, especially on the top and the bottom, it's going to make your eyes look smaller. So, okay, now I'm going to do the other side. Again, taking that Cocoa Bear color and just going halfway across. Okay, now that I've got my bottom color here blended out, my lash line, I'm going to take the mascara again and do my bottom lashes. Okay, there you go. This mascara works pretty good. Again, I'm about to see what the prices are. And now I'm just going to put on a lip for fun. And I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lip in Sprinkle. It's this really pretty plum shade. So I gotta finish off the look. That looks pretty good. Eyes are nice and basic. Blush is... I really like the blush a lot. Like I said, I went ham on this side, but whatever. Sometimes you gotta go ham. Okay. So I'm gonna take out the little Boxycharm thing that come in the box that tells the price. Okay, so first off on the list is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. It's the under eye. It's the eye depuffing gel, and it's guaranteed to visibly reduce under eye bags and dark circles. So, I don't know if that's true or not. Obviously, it takes more than one use. But this retails for $42. So, and this is the full size. So, that's already $42, and the box itself is $21. Is the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Mist. And this is the full size. And let's see. It is priced at $25. So... Okay, and then next up on the list is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. And this is, I believe, full size. This is $24. Okay, the Note Cosmetics Blush. This is actually the cheapest thing in the box. It retails for $11.99. So, and I would purchase this because so far, it's wearing great. It went on great. And then let's see, the eyebrow cream, which is by, I'm not sure how to say it, it's Chella Beauty, I think, C-H-E-L-L-A, I don't know, there's the little label, but the eyebrow cream, this retails for $26. Okay, so this box is already well over $21 that you pay for the monthly subscription. And so yeah, there you go. I think that does it for this Boxycharm unboxing for July. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I like trying things on as I get them so you can actually see what the products look like. I think I'm most excited about the Dr. Brandt product just because I know their stuff works really good and, you know, it's not cheap. But I also really like the blush too. The mascara, you know, I'll use it, I'm sure, because I love getting free. Well, not free. Ooh, but I love using new things and trying them out, so I will use it. The mist, I don't think I like it as good as MAC Fix Plus, because that's the one I normally use. But I'll definitely give it a go. This is the first time I've used it, and my makeup did set really well. I don't feel sticky or anything. So yeah. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, so you can, you know, check out my crazy videos, okay? So hit the like button. Let me know that you like these kind of videos. Like I said, I do get these once a month, so and I love Boxycharm. I used to have Ipsy. I didn't care for Ipsy because everything I got was just, I rarely got products in Ipsy that I really liked. So, and Boxycharm's right the opposite. I rarely get stuff that I don't like. So, and for $21, I think it's well worth it. So, anyway, you guys have a great evening. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.